Ataya is more than tea. It's a Senegalese tradition that brings people together in ways I hadn't fully appreciated until I learned about it. It's made in 3 rounds, each sweeter than the last, symbolizing life: bitter, balanced, and sweet. The first benefit? Connection. In a world of rushed coffee breaks, Ataya forces you to sit down and stay a while. The brewing process alone can take an hour. You bond because there's no room for hurry, only conversation. It's also surprisingly meditative. Breast the tea over charcoal, watch the bubbles form, and inhale that toasty aroma, letting the stress of your day evaporate like steam from the pot. Ah, better already. Did you know it's healthier than your average latte? Ataya uses green tea, which is rich in antioxidants. These help fight free radicals in your body, reducing inflammation and even contributing to heart health. Your future self will thank you. But tradition doesn't just stop at the tea leaves. The sugar is essential. Used in moderation, it balances the tannins in the green tea. It's a ritual of balance, bitterness, sweetness, and how to enjoy both in life. Anyone struggle with social settings? Ataya turns acquaintances into friends. Sitting shoulder to shoulder around a single teapot removes the awkwardness of small talk. If you've ever needed a social icebreaker, this is literally brewed for it. Are you a tea purist? The pouring process for Ataya is theatrical. Long arcs of liquid from one glass to another create frothy layers. It's mesmerizing, but also practical. It cools the tea and enhances its flavor. You can learn patience while enjoying Ataya. People think of patience as waiting in boredom, but Ataya teaches that waiting can be full of meaning. It forces you to be present, and that's powerful. It also taps into nostalgia, even if you didn't grow up drinking it. Every culture has its comfort rituals. Ataya feels universal, even if it's Senegalese at its core. You sip and think about your own version of home. Hosting Ataya is an act of love. You're not just making tea. You're telling someone, I value your time. I want you to relax here with me. It's hospitality at its most sincere form. Plus, there's something wildly satisfying about drinking from those tiny glasses. It feels intentional, a reminder to savor instead of guzzle. Every sip becomes a moment instead of a reflex. Cost-effective, too. Skip overpriced cafe trips. Green tea, sugar, and the communal experience cost next to nothing, but feel like a luxury. Seriously, why pay $5 for an overcomplicated drink when this does more for you? Pro tip: want to host a mind-blowing Ataya session? Add mint leaves to the last glass for an unexpected twist. That final sweetness paired with fresh mint? Chef's kiss. You'll have people asking for the recipe and coming back for more.